To use Bluetooth, first, insert the USB Bluetooth dongle into the USB port at the back of the phone. If the Bluetooth function is not enabled, a prompt interface will show on the screen. Press OK to enter the page and enable the Bluetooth function. If the Bluetooth function is already on, press Menu, select Settings, Basic Settings, then Bluetooth to complete the settings. To connect the Bluetooth headset, enter the Bluetooth setting page and press Scan. All the Bluetooth devices will be listed on the screen. Select the Bluetooth headset, press the Connect soft key, and the Bluetooth headset will automatically connect to the phone. A headset connected icon will be shown on the screen. To use the Bluetooth headset, after the Bluetooth headset has been connected to the phone, press the headset function key, dial the desired number and press OK to call. Now you can use the Bluetooth headset to talk. While talking, you can switch to the handset, hands-free, or headset mode freely. To connect the mobile phone, enter the Bluetooth function page, select the mobile phone device, press the Connect soft key, and the mobile phone will automatically connect to the phone. After connecting to the mobile phone, press Directory soft key. Then choose Mobile Contacts. The contacts from the mobile phone will show in the list. Select the desired number and dial it directly through the IP phone. When using mobile phone to make calls, the call will synchronize on the screen of the IP phone. You can answer, hold, or hang up the call through the IP phone. Besides, the T42S also supports the instant messaging apps like Skype.